Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to set an alarm on the ONYX Boox Note Air 3C. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the Apps tab. You can access it by pressing the Apps icon on the left. Then we're going to go to the Clock app, and here we're going to press on Alarm on the bottom. And it might take a few seconds to load, and this is the alarms. So I have 2 alarms set. You can create a new one by pressing on the plus icon on the top right. You can select the day, you can select the time by pressing on the timer here, so you can change it to the time that you want the clock to start playing. So I'm going to select, for example, 4:31, press OK, and then press OK again. And there we go. It says 12 hours, 1 minute remaining until the alarm. So this is the time when the alarm is going to play. And here, as you can see, it's enabled, and the other alarms are disabled, so only this one will play. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.